Good afternoon, students. My name is Pratima and today we are going to study about gravitation. Okay, gravitation is a topic. You might have heard that Sir Isaac Newton just sat under a tree and observed an apple falling, and he gave some laws of gravitation. So we will discuss it that every object which is falling freely, while it is falling down towards Earth, the planets, they are revolving around Sun. And you'll be surprised to know that both the reasons are same. So we are going to discuss them one by one. Before that, let us discuss about freely falling bodies on Earth. Like a pen is falling, why it's falling downwards? Why it's not going upwards? What is the reason for that? Okay, you might have learned earlier laws of motion. You know, Newton's first law of motion states that a body remains in its position until unless there is some force applied on it. It means that if this pen is falling down, it means there is some force which is applied on this pen, that's why it's falling down, otherwise it should remain at its position. Okay, so what is this force which is falling down? So Sir Isaac Newton told that this force is the force of attraction of the earth which attracts this pen, and this force is called gravitational force. Okay, this is the gravitational force. And you also know Newton's second law, that this force is given by, in force which we apply on the body to make it move, is given by F equals to ma. And Newton's third law, every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So Newton says, if I am pulling this or I am pushing this pen, it is also applying a push or pull on me. It is giving a opposite equal magnitude force to me, but opposite in direction. So if I am throwing this pen, it means this pen is also attracting earth. Then why earth is not moving towards the pen, and why pen is moving towards the earth? The reason is that because the mass of the pen, according to Newton's second law, this force of acceleration is equal to F by m. It is inversely proportional to mass m. So if the mass is very large and the force is same in both the cases, equal and opposite forces, so force is same, but if the mass is large, its acceleration will be very less. So earth has a so big mass as compared to pen. So earth acceleration is negligible, so we can't see the earth moving towards pen. But in case of pen has negligible mass, so its acceleration is large, so pen is accelerating towards the earth with large acceleration. Okay, so it means every object in this universe is attracting other object towards itself due to force called force of gravitation. But the masses which have greater masses, we observe less. We don't observe that force of attraction in that cases. Similarly, in case of planets also, Sun is attracting Earth towards itself with the force of attraction which is towards Sun. And equal force is being experienced by Sun also in opposite direction by Earth. But Sun, it has a larger mass, so we can't see Sun moving towards the Earth, but we can see Earth orbiting in its around the Sun due to its force of attraction, which is the force of gravitation.